Ooh, that's a little bit too close, isn't it? Alrighty guys, I have a 2013 Acura ILX that has a dent right here. And I'm going to try this hot water method. Can this hot water actually help pop out this dent? As you can see, it's piping hot. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this on the affected area. Because what hot water does is it kind of like makes the plastic bend easier. If you think about science, it's like atoms and ions. If it sees heat, then it spreads faster. It's something like that. I forgot how science works. Hopefully it doesn't destroy the clear coat of the paint, but alright, let's see if boiling hot water actually helps me pop out the dent easier. I'll probably start from the bottom up. Wow. And it does. Oh, that is surprising. Wow. Well, I mean, there's a little slight dent right here, but that's completely fine. See if I can push it out to keep it flexed. Wow. That's not bad at all. Very nice. Yeah, it's not bad, guys. I mean, maybe sooner or later I'll probably buy a new front bumper and stuff, but wow. You guys start right here. That's part of the design. From here to there. Yeah, that's not so bad. I think this one's pushed in a little bit, but I'll be okay. I'm fine. That's good enough. At least it's popped out, so yeah. So boiling hot water does actually help you out, pop out the dent, because since the bumper's plastic, it can be easily flexed. Hope you guys like this video. Comment, like it, say whatever you want to say. Don't be a stranger, be a G. Take it easy, guys.